Hello friends, this is Sanjay Kurkure. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjay Kurkure English Academy. This is the playlist especially made for the purpose of competitive exam. I hope this will help you in understanding the exact format of a letter to the editor. A letter to the editor is written in order to draw attention of the various people in the society. At first, let us see the index layout. Number 1, 4WH. What, why, when, how. Point number 2, important points to be focused. Point number 3, steps of writing a letter to the editor. Number 4, format of the letter to the editor. And point number 5, samples of the letter to the editor. 4WH. What? Concept. What is the letter to the editor? Newspaper or news magazine? In this point, I am going to explain the concept, definition of a letter to the editor. Second point, why? Reasons. Why do people write letters to the editor, newspaper or news magazine? Point number 3, when? Time. When do the people write letters to the editor, newspaper or news magazine? How? Manner. The way of presenting the issue related points in the letter. Point number 1, what? Let us see the definition of a letter to the editor from Wikipedia. A letter to the editor is a letter sent to a publication about issues of concern from its readers. When somebody feels express his or her opinion about some issue, to express anger against the system, to share the experience. By writing this type of letter, you can draw the attention of the public, politicians, bureaucrats, social workers, environmentalists, and concerned authorities. Writing this type of letter is just like talking with the public or concerns on any topic. Let us see the explanation. Letters to the editor are most frequently associated with newspapers and news magazines. These types of letters are written to attract the attention of concerned authorities towards the issues of following types. Let us see issues layout. Personal, for sharing personal experience, personal opinion, thoughts, ideas, etc. Public, for drawing the attention of public concern towards public problems. Social, for mentioning social issues, social problems, concerns, events, etc. National, for sharing national issues. National, for stating national issues, national problems, concerns, policies, etc. Legal, for mentioning legal problems in various fields of life, individual, social, labor, public. Education, for discussing the educational policy, educational problems, events, challenges, solutions, etc. Environment, for making appeal, mentioning the environment related issues like pollution and discussing solutions. Other, for raising the voice against the bad things, running campaign for a good cause. Second WH question, why? Why do we need to write the letters to the editor? We need to write the letters to the editor to share information, to share experience, to suggest the ideas, to make an appeal, to increase awareness, to draw attention of the concern towards the various problems, to react about on some issues, to appreciate the good things, to educate the common people, and to raise the voice against the bad things happening in the society. Third WH question, when? When does somebody feel strong to write a letter to the editor? Let us see. Number 1, to draw the attention to the topic of concerns. Number 2, to convey the message. Number 3, to explain what type of opinion you have about some concern or issue. Number 4, to comment on the current issues. Number 5, to appreciate, to criticize. Number 6, to run some campaign. Number 7, to remark on the news story, article or special report. Fourth WH question is how? It means in what manner the letter to the editor should be written. Let us see. Point number 1, importance. Explain the importance of the issue. Number 2, evidence. Mention the information of evidence. Number 3, suggestion. Give your suggestions as well as opinions. Important points to be focused. Be clear, be quiet, be quick, be concise, be correct, be sure, be specific, be complete, be courteous, use simple language. Now let us see the steps of writing a letter to the editor, part 1. Step number 1, sender's name and address. Then leave one blank line. Second step, date in the appropriate format. Again, leave one blank line. Step number 3, recipient's designation, name of the newspaper and address. Then leave one blank line space. Fourth step, subject of the letter. Then leave one blank line space. Fifth step is appropriate greeting or salutation. Introduction of the sender and the problem. Details including fact, duration and consequences of the problem. Expectation, solution, ideas, etc. Conclusion, including request for the solution. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, sender's signature. Here is the format of a letter to the editor, part 1. While writing a letter to the editor, block format should be used. According to the rules of block format, the format is given here. Please observe the format carefully. Here are the sample letters related to the topics of concern. Number 1, it is related to increasing air pollution, the matter of concern. Next letter is related to another matter of concern, polluted water supply. And this is the letter related to campaign. It is not a letter about the concern, it is the letter of appreciation. Thank you friends for watching the video on my YouTube channel. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. See you again.